Hello you guys, so I just wanted to show you my new keyboard real quick. This is a Silakka54. So what's the thing about this keyboard? So there's two reasons why I got this keyboard. The first one is because of the position of regular keyboards. You know, regular keyboards, the keys are not linear, the keyboard is designed from the typewriter, and the typewriter had a physical limitation, a mechanical limitation that the keys could not be linear like this. You know, on a typewriter you had the W here, the S had to be around here in the middle because otherwise the irons would hit each other and you would not be able to type. So yeah, another thing is that since it's a split keyboard, you can put the left side here, the right side here, and your shoulders will stay on a more natural position instead of inwards like those regular keyboards forces you to be like. And if you're struggling with joint pains or shoulder pains or like you're losing movement on your fingers, this thing will definitely help you. I mean, it has helped me. Don't know if it will work for you as well. But the second reason why I got this thing is because it looks amazing. You can see here the exposed microcontrollers. Let me focus on this thing. Yeah. You can see this one. Yeah, some people might not like this. You can build a case. The keys are from my old keyboard. I did not buy another key. Another positive thing about this keyboard is the price. You will spend like, I don't know, I probably spent with like the switches, the everything. I spent like some $35 total. And yeah, it has worked. I did not solder anything. I bought this thing almost pre-made. The electronical parts were pre-made. So all I had to do was assemble it. I unscrewed these four screws right here so that I could check if the soldering was nice. It was. So yeah, that's it. It's my new keyboard. It's really amazing. Yeah.